So we're going to round decimals now. And I'm going to take the number 7.89012 and identify the various pieces here. The 7 is in what's called the ones or the unit. The 8 is in the tenths. And there's my decimal point there. The 9 is in the hundredths. The 0 is in the thousands. 1's in the 10,000, 2 in the 100,000s. And it would just keep on going. Okay, it'd be millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions, 100 billions, and so on. So what we're going to do is we're going to round this number. And for example 1, it says we're going to round to the nearest tenth. Now, in this case, I'm going to look at... So in this case, I'm going to have 7.364. And I have the 3 in the tenths spot. And I'm going to look to the number just to the right, which is the 6. If the number just to the right is 5 or bigger, then I'm going to bump the number in the tenth spot, which is the 3, up to 4. If it's less than 5, I'm going to keep it at 7.3. So in this case, it's going to go up to 4. So my final answer, and there's the approximately equal to symbol, is approximately equal to 7.4. All right, let's do another example. Let's do 2.547. And again, we're going to round to the nearest tenth. The number that's in the tenths area is the 5 in this case. Just to the right of that is the 4, and the 4 is less than 5, which means my final answer is approximately 2.5. All right, one more under this category is going to be 1.95. Now, the number that's in the tenths spot is the 9. And just to the right of that is a 5, which is 5 or bigger, so it's going to get bumped up. The problem is when it bumps up the one next to it, the 9 is now going to bump up the 1. So overall, rounded off, this is going to be 2.0. And you can see 1.95, even if that was money, $1.95 is pretty close to $2. Let's try an example and round it to the nearest thousandths. 5.9352. Now the number that's in the thousandths spot is the 5 in this case, the second 5. So I'm going to look just to the right of that, which is a 2. Since that's less than 5, I'm going to keep this at approximately 5.935. Let's do one more where we're going to the 10,000ths, and we're going to use a big number, well, a long number I should say. 0.9135542. Now we need to find the number in the 10,000ths digit, so I'm going to look at the first 5. I'm going to look just to the right of that, which is another 5, which is going to bump the previous 5 up to a 6, making this approximately 0.9136. There you have it.